In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Hubspot using their admin tools. This tutorial is designed for those of you looking to seamlessly extract information from Hubspot, whether for reporting, backup, or other purposes. So let's dive in and take this step-by-step approach to ensure you have a smooth and successful export process. First, you need to navigate to the Hubspot website, which is your central hub for all things related to this versatile tool. Once you're there, locate the Login button on the homepage. Click on it to access your account. If you're not already, ensure that you have the correct administrative privileges required for exporting data, as this is important to continue further without any hurdles. After successfully logging into your account, you should now be on the Hubspot home screen. From here, your next step is to head over to the CRM section. This can typically be found in the navigation menu, likely labeled as CRM or something similar to denote the Customer Relationship Management area. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the realm of contacts and more. Now that you've opened the CRM, your attention should be directed towards the Contacts tab. Click this to continue. This action will take you to the area where all your contacts are listed. This step is crucial, as exporting contact data is commonly needed for various business analytics and strategies. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for the Export option, which is usually placed somewhere visible within the interface. Click on it to initiate the export process. It's important to note here that the location of this option may vary slightly depending on your menu settings, so take a moment to explore if needed. After clicking Export, you'll likely be prompted to choose the file format for your exported data. You want to ensure that the file is accessible and easy to work with, which brings us to the next point. You'll see a file format option presented to you. Click on it to open the available formats. Within the options, select XLSX as your desired file format. This format is widely used for spreadsheets and is compatible with software such as Microsoft Excel, making it a versatile choice for handling and analyzing your data post-export. Finally, with your file format selected, click on Export to complete the process. Depending on the size of your data, the export might take some time. Once completed, you should receive your data downloaded to your device. Now you can utilize it in any way you deem necessary, whether for analysis, presentations, or archiving. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting data from HubSpot. We hope this tutorial was straightforward and helped you attain the needed data from your HubSpot account efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other tutorials for more HubSpot tips and tricks.